Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aicahr if you're new. Today's video is going to be making my favorite comfort meals, just because we've had another rough week, so I just want to make my favorite meals with you guys. My hair is looking lioness. It is looking a little crazy. I just crimped it, that's why, but I like it. Kind of gives more volume. I don't usually have like a ton of volume in my hair. I am going to Sprouts, my favorite store. We're gonna pick up some ingredients. Let's get into it. From Sprouts, a little grocery haul. Got my favorite. So, okay, let me explain. This video is going to be my favorite comfort foods. I just have two that I'm making today. I'm making lobster rolls with Parmesan fries, and I'm gonna have it with crepes and wine. This is my favorite wine from Sprouts, Mandria Sangria Moscato, sweet and fruity. It is my favorite, and the best part is I don't need my wine opener, so I don't have to go through the struggle of that. That's my favorite wine. Speaking of, I'm gonna throw this in the freezer so the sooner I can drink it. Okay, let me show you what else I got. I got the 8 hot dog rolls brioche style. They didn't have the, I think it's called split top hot dog rolls, so whatever, this'll do. I have the Bel Gioioso Parmesan, freshly shredded. I was gonna cut up some potatoes and make fries, but you know, it's a comfort day, so I'm just gonna use the organic steak fries from Sprouts, and I'll just throw it in the air fryer with some Parmesan cheese on top. I got this butter by Grassland. Hopefully it's good. I don't have butter in my fridge. Another thing that I don't have in my fridge is actually mayonnaise, and I don't really like mayonnaise. I only like mayonnaise when it's with ketchup. Mayonnaise ketchup person. So I got vegan-naise, better than mayo, so I hope it's good. Yeah, I guess we'll see. I got some green onion, I got some lemon. The original plan was to get cooked lobster, but like Sprouts doesn't have that. They only have like cooked salmon already and like cooked shrimp. They don't have lobster, so I guess I'm gonna have to try and attempt to make lobster today. I just got the 3.75 ounce lobster tails, wild cold water, previously frozen, and I got 2 tails, so hope it's good. Got some organic hazelnut spread. It didn't have to be organic. I honestly wanted Nutella, but obviously Sprouts does not carry Nutella, so that's what I got. The final thing, I didn't have it, now I do. All-purpose flour. I was gonna like do like the healthy kind almond flour. This was cheaper. It was like $2.99, so I was like, why not? Who really cares, honestly? That was my grocery haul. I guess we'll start cooking now. Gotta tie up my hair. I'll keep the Q-tip on for you guys. I'm wearing sweats on the bottom now though. I definitely changed, but I guess the easiest way to cook this is to just boil it, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I've got 2 buns here, Grassland butter. I'm also gonna, there's a lot of things going on right now, I'm kind of overwhelmed, but I'm gonna put fries in the air fryer and put some Parmesan on top. Oh yeah, we have a heavy hand today. Wow, a lot just happened. Fries are done. They're actually pretty perfect. Okay, so I just cut up the lobster meat off camera, and I'm going to make the marinade, the little sauce. So it says to grab a smaller bowl and then combine all those ingredients together. Okay, so 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon. I for sure can do like 3 teaspoons of lemon. 1/4 cup finely chopped celery, but I am using just some green onion. I didn't really want celery or parsley, so I think that's a lot, but oh well, it doesn't like green onion. Now it says 1 dash of hot sauce. I am using Frank's Red Hot. I like my stuff spicy, so I'm gonna do 2 dashes. Oh my gosh, that's like nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna do a pinch of salt, so just do a little shaky shake. It says a few grinds of freshly ground pepper, so just a little whoop-de-woo. Mix it all together. This is already smelling pretty good, to be honest. It tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna lie though, I do want it a little bit hotter, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Frank's Red Hot, just like that much more. And then I'm not gonna use all of it. I think I'm just gonna use just a little. Looks like I made a little too much of this sauce and there's not enough lobster, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of burned the first batch, so I had to remake the bread. So there it is. Looks better now. I'm just gonna do just a little bit of that sauce that I made on the bread. Just a little bit, because I mean the lobster is pretty much has all the sauce on it that it needs. We're gonna put the fries on the side. Oh, that looks good. Look at that, guys. I am so proud. Yay. And this is like a comfort meal to me. Like, I love lobster rolls. Okay, so I got my wine out of the freezer. Oh, it's like the perfect temperature. Look, it's been a long week, so cheers. The best wine, I'm telling you. It's just so sweet. It's like juice, which is a little dangerous. Also, with the fries, I'm going to be eating some Whataburger spicy ketchup. Shout out to my best friend Nydia from Texas. This is like so bomb with any kind of fries. Bone apple tea. I can't believe I made this. Okay, I'm so sorry. I lost the light and it's already 7 p.m. and I have not yet bought a ring light. I think that's gonna be my next purchase. So you're just gonna have to deal with this lighting. I'm so sorry. Right now I wanna make a crepe, and I've never made crepes, so I hope it turns out good. I got this recipe from food.com. Again, I'll link it down below like the other recipe. And basically it seems pretty easy, and it's only a few ingredients, so I hope it turns out good. It says mix all ingredients in the blender. I don't have a blender. I have a NutriBullet though, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use the bigger NutriBullet cup thing. So it says 1.5 cups of milk. I have Almond Breeze almond milk, unsweetened vanilla, 1 cup of flour. I just made a whole mess, but it's fine. Gosh. And then it says 2 eggs. Okay, it says tablespoon sugar, but I totally forgot to get sugar and I couldn't find any like sugar packets, so I have honey. Hopefully that's okay. Yeah, I think that's like a tablespoon, right? So a pinch of salt, so I swear nothing's coming out, guys. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more because I know that a lot is kind of spilled. It's still kind of liquidy. Hopefully it works. I don't know. Gosh, I wasn't recording, but it said to Pour it in a thin layer and turn it. I mean, it's looking kind of crepey. Oh my gosh, I just turned it and I'm so excited. It looks like a crepe. Well, it looks a little thicker, but it's fine. Okay, look at it. Oh no, what's happening? What's happening? It's cooking too fast. Oh gosh. Okay, let's put it on the plate now. I lowered the heat. Oh my god, that one looks like a crepe! Practice makes perfect, guys. Okay, I just made some crepes. I made actually a lot. And I realized I had a heavy hand at first, so some are really thick and some are crepe-like. And then I have some hazelnut spread, yum. And I'm gonna put some banana, of course. Okay, so I'm taking one of my Star Children crepes. Organic hazelnut spread. It doesn't have to be organic, obviously. I just got it because it was at Sprouts. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow, look at that. Oh! And that right there is my favorite comfort dessert, crepes. What's your guys' favorite comfort food? I'm curious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see from me next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.